This is a video of my 43-kilometre flight in the Pyrenees. We start about half an hour in.
Okay, you can see below me, this ridge is cut by a gorge, a lake either side. Plan is to try and jump the gorge and pick up lift on the other side. I can see a wing in the distance, seems to be working for him, so it should work for me. Whoosh.
Okay, so now I'm over the gap. You can see the two lakes below me, and I'm still picking up lift, which is great. Finally, I lose the lift and I have to go on a long glide to try and reach the ridge on the other side. You can see my feet pushed out because I'm using my accelerator, which improves my glide angle in sinking air. So I've got to get to that ridge, find some lift, otherwise I'm going to be landing in a forest, which is not good. And there's the lift, Montsec. The ridge turned out to have pretty good lift all the way along it. I'm almost at the end now, and you can see looking back the previous ridge that I was on in the distance.
You can see I'm up at almost cloud base, 2,200 metres. I'm about to go over the back to a trigger point I can see. Seems to have another cloud over it. Just go as much height as I can here.
So I've jumped over the back of the ridge now, heading northwards. I'm in a bit of sinking air, but I can see clouds in the distance, which means there should be lift out there. And there's the lift. I'm heading towards a cloud you can see at the top right, and it's being fed by the knoll at the bottom left there.
See the snow on the Pyrenees there? Whoosh! That's fast. Okay, I think it's getting a bit rough. 2,000 metres should be enough. I'm going to go on a glide. Wind's still southerly, so those valleys over there should be giving lift even if there's no clouds above them. Still in gently rising air. I've got a glide angle of 30 to 1. A bit cold at 2,000 metres.
I got partway across the valley and started hitting sinking air, and it became rapidly apparent I wasn't going to make the valleys on that little set of hills. My glide angle just wasn't good enough. You can see now I'm pretty low over the valley, still some way from those hills, and I'm turning circles even though the air is sinking, so that I can work out the wind direction for when I land. There's a nice feel, it should do for landing. It's got wheat growing in it, but actually the paraglider doesn't damage the wheat, it just sits nicely on top of it. And here we come into a landing.